Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. So, we are doing question answers of chapter number 4, The Enemy, from book Vistas. I hope you have written the questions which we have discussed in the previous video. So, now moving forward, we are discussing the very important questions which might come in your examination. Okay, so now this is our next question. Number 6. What will Dr. Sadao do to get rid of the man? There were a number of things Dr. Sadao did for the white man. So now we will be writing it in proper format. Dr. Sadao had told the old general that he had operated upon a white man. The general promised to send his private assassins to kill the man silently and secretly at night and remove his body. Dr. Sadao left the outer partition of white man's room open. He waited anxiously for 3 nights. The servants had left their house. His wife Hannah had to cook, clean the house, and serve the wounded men. She was accustomed to this labor. She was anxious that they should get rid of the men. Dr. Sadao told Tom, the white man, that he was quite well then. He offered to put his boat on the shore that night. It would have food and extra clothing in it. Tom might be able to row to the little island which was not far from the coast. It had not been fortified. The water was quite deep. Nobody lived there, as it was submerged in a storm. Since it was not the season of storm, he could live there till he see a Korean fishing boat pass by. He gave the man his flashlight. He was to signal twice with his flashlight at sunset in case his food ran out, in case he was still there and all right. He was to signal only once. Dr. Sadao gave the man Japanese clothes and covered his blond head with a black doth. We are reading it again. Dr. Sadao gave the man Japanese clothes and covered his blond head with a black cloth. In short, Dr. Sadao helped the man to escape from Japan. At the same time, he also got rid of the man. Because we know that Dr. Sadao did not like Tom, the white man, but still, being a professional doctor, he helped him. Not only in healing the wound, but also in helping him to escape from Japan. The general also promised to kill the white man after sending the 3 assassins, which he could not send because he forgot. So this way we will be writing the answer for the question, what will Dr. Sadao do to get rid of the men? Moving forward, students, questions on characters usually comes, right? And they are also very important. So we have a question. What do you learn about Sadao's father from the story The Enemy? Now, how to write the answer? Let's see. Sadao's father was a visionary. He knew that the island near the sea coast were the stepping stones to the future for Japan. No one could limit their future as it depended on what they made it. His son's education was his chief concern. He sent his son to America at the age of 22 to learn all that could be learned of surgery and medicine. He loved the Japanese race, customs, and manners. So beautifully, all the necessary information is written in the answer. This way, you have to write answers of questions. This is basically short question. Now, we have another question. Why was Dr. Sadao being kept in Japan and not sent abroad with the troops? This question is also very important. Let's see the answer. Sadao was an eminent surgeon and a scientist. He was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. Secondly, the old general was being treated medically for a condition for which he might need an operation. Due to these two reasons, Sadao was being kept in Japan and not sent abroad with the troops. Right? He was also treating the general and he might needed operation at any time. So this was also the reason that he was kept in Japan. Okay, so these are the 3 questions for today. I want you to understand, to read once or twice and note down in your notebook. We'll see the other questions in our next video. I hope you would have understood these questions. Thank you and have a nice day.